We're in the Guabex. Look at the Momonas. Hey, let's go. Shout out to Uso Mike. Let's go. Uso Evil. Keeper. Check it out. Let's go. Chat. How blessed it is when you come to Samoa and you have your own personal tattoo artist pull up to your house whenever you want. So check it out. Let me introduce you to my Uso Vince. Let's go. Shout out to my Uso Vince right here.
Hey, this the only man I let touch you.
Yeah.
Man. See, he telling me, look at, come here. When I was 16 years old.
Wait, check this out. Check this out.
My best son.
Yo.
When I was 16.
Good.
20 years ago.
Still look good, chat. 20 years ago.
No, this has maybe been, how long you been tatting this? This might be right before.
1 10.
Yeah. It's been a month already. Yeah.
Sheesh. More than 20, damn,
18,
20 years ago.
18.
18 years ago, chat.
Okay, something like that.
So, Vince, you got a shop in Appeal?
Work for a friend shop.
What's it called?
Creek Tattoo and Coffee Shop. Creek is love chimney or something.
Cleat?
Creed.
This Creek.
Creek.
Creed. K-R-I-E-G.
Yes, but they pronounce Creek, not Creek.
Oh. Come on, damn it. Oh, so like Craze Tattoo Barber?
But they pronounce Creek.
Creek.
Creek Tattoo and Coffee Shop.
Wow, chat. Only in Samunda. But hey,
It's half Germany or something.
half German, half Sabo. But hit up my boy Vince. Let's go. So we're gonna see that what? You wanna show before and after?
Yeah, sure. He's gonna do the forearm first.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Guys, you can get flesh. Now, and it will show you the blade. Sheesh! Shout out to my Uncle Bucky, for Pastor Sabin, Pastor Ruby, shout out to them for loaning us their little power rushing to clean our house. So sponsored by Pastor Sabin, Pastor Ruby. Let's go! So I'm gonna show you what this little nice heavy duty machine can do to clean your house. We're here at my mom's house in Alisa, and we just demo testing pressure washer behind me. Finished it too. Almost, right? You finished it almost. It's done for the day. We're gonna done for the day. Check that out. Prototype. Remember, everybody, this is my test dummy. Here, you see that? Going up, mama. The lead, chat. So, one up follows from the lead tag by the lead. Which is our will, or our grandfather's will, which we are going to carry on his legacy. Ali Quincy.
I'm gonna bring some for a gift for you, but they're fucking expensive. Shit. I ended up paying so much, and then like, oh man. Alright guys, we're here.
The other camera.
Everyone's getting ready to show up. Hi guys.
Hello, what's up? How's it?
That's the kind of content we're gonna go do before we sell the lane. You know what I mean? Because like this, I hope for everyone here. This all
Dang, got the airbands. Let's go. Check it out, guys. This shit gangster. Look at this. Sheesh. Put a wide body on that. Sack it. Only reason why we can't do that because Samoa ropes. That's why we gotta lift a bit higher. But sheesh. Love it. Yeah, look at the paint job on there. Check your chat. Subaru STI-C. They got 3. 1, 2, 3. Zing, papa. Nice. What have you done to it? So that's nice. Who's the go-to for the paint shop over here in Samoa?
But the guy who does the job, his name is
Celeo. Does he have a shop?
That's the only thing.
What? Holy fuck. So that's what you call skills. He does it at home. So we gotta go to a fucking shop just to get ours. This guy does it at home.
Yeah.
So this is the life. Look at that. Sick. No, I like it. I like it. Yeah, even the hood.
Someone's going, yeah. Yeah, that night too.
So,
You might need to take
let's go.
I'm ready, second.
Yeah. Let's check out those audience. Like, Sali. Venga, Samunda. You know we don't have these in America at all. My Hot Wheel buddies are gonna go crazy for this one. They're the owner. Sexy beast. Bumblebee. Check my sekya skyling sa munda. Ada makya nga gawai. Si wala oya. Sale. Al papai kaling pengakapa dia kamay sa shit. Let's go. Yeah. Ada makya 685 oh. Sale. Sekya nga Saudi guns. Damn! Shit. Look at that. Let's go. This one is sick. Which one's more like Kelly? Where? Oh, yeah, check the other system. You can just tell, man. Look at that. If you're mad, phone off. Chat, let's go. Oh wow, what about air capacitor? Yung upgrade ng capacitor. Wow. Yeah. Wow, man. Shit. You must have to wear earmuff off. Cover your kalingos. Suddenly, Gracie. finger on Samundari chat. Nah, it ain't my y'all Samundari shit. It don't play around, man. Your uncle did all this? Really? What's your uncle's name? Luco. Shout out to Luco for doing both. He did both of these sounds in Samoa. Here in Samoa, he did both of these sounds. This guy's uncle, Luco. Shout out to Luco. Sheesh. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Huh? I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Soy pemangam. Oh, cameraman. Okay, ayo soy mo pero pa ko kumay. Ayo soy mo. Dale, pa ko kumay. Okay, Lius. Let's go. Sorry, boys. Let's go. Sheesh. Oh, sorry. Shit, we got a Ford gang up in here. Sheesh. Nice. Sick.
Oh, and you did the box. Yeah.
Gas house 9.
And he did the shifter. Yeah, and you got the shifter coming up.
This was stacking on market too.
So mine's a fix.
Yeah. So this is an original SS.
Oh, damn.
Original. The OG. Here in Samunda. Look at this blower, chat.
Oh, nice car, man. Nice. Still not finished.
Still not finished. Where you trying to go? To the moon? Sheesh. 383. Whoop. Chat. These guys not playing around.
Motivation song? Yeah. Is this motivation? Are you going to finish it this year? Yeah. What is that? 350? No, it says 343. 383.
Look at the headers.
Oh, you got the
You got the headers wrapped. Got the blower.
He got everything.
Aftermarket radiator.
Financial mistakes we need them.
Nice.
No AC.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. This is too much money for me. It's very nice, Jack.
Car from me in Cali.
Fan.
Red Samoa, priceless.
This right here.
I would put my dad in this. Dad, I'm gonna bring you one.
Very inspiring. Very inspiring. I'm gonna grab one. Let's go.
Cause I'm gonna have it anyway. So might as well let him drive it for a little couple years. Think it's his son.
Let's go. He bought it brand new, original owner.
Mom. And then they went to take it to a workshop to get twin exhaust.
Yep.
And the guy went there and they said, oh, the car, the guy went ahead and drank that RSA, turned around to come and take the car and fix it.
See, look at this Mustang. This is yours, boss man? What do you got done to this? Nothing yet? Just the rims. Those are some nice rims, man. I like the deep dish in the back. That screams out, Sasa. Oh, he said pop the hood, G. Damn. What is this? XR? No, Mustang. How big's the motor? It's a B beast. Yeah, old school, man. Can't beat the classics, man. They don't make them like they used to. And this one's a beauty. Here in Zamunda, just left the car meet. We're thirsty. Because the boys are thirsty. And Uso Evo kind of busy. And they're looking parched. So check it out. We're over here about to get some water for the boys that are all at the car meet. Trying to represent for Uso Evo because he's busy chatting to all his the fans. Me and the Uso here in the background. Let's get some water. And just to, help all the boys. Because it is hot out there, chat. So stay tuned. And as we grab this water, and we're just gonna give out to all the guys that came out and show some love for Uso Evo and for the Samoa car community. And shout out to my sponsor right here, Quentin Toiloa.
Quality Telecom.
Polynesian everything. That part. Yeah, that part. Polynesian everything. Let's go.
Give me a review on what do you think? What's your take?
El Camino,
Yeah.
that motherfucker got some power.
How?
Yeah, power. Fucking. We hit the other side right there. He floored it. And we sat sideways like that. We sat sideways almost half that block.
Hey.
That shit got power. It moves.
Nice.
Same problem that I have. He wanted to take the 305 out because it doesn't move the car. So yeah, he did some good work to that shit. I bring my shit here and have him fucking.
Hey, you heard that, chat?
Yeah,
You
I
heard
bring
that,
my shit
chat? Keith wants his car to be worked on here in Samoa.
I'll bring the car here now.
Said,
Fuck.
let's go, Kiefer.
It's hot, chat.
It's hot. I
You're
know.
right here in Samoa.
Right there. Oh, she got a water.
Boys, come on. Chee-hoo, let's go, chat. See, you know what we want is hot here in Zamunda. All the boys here are waiting. So our cool off.
Hey, here comes the Hot Wheels.
There's some kids here actually at the car meet, and this is my way of giving back. So my brother's doing his thing. He's meeting up with all the car people doing his thing. My thing is trying to get these kids. So my brother's doing his thing, reaching his fans. That's cool. My thing is the kids. So there's kids here just waiting, watching all these cool cars. So me and the Uso here, we're gonna quickly go give some out. The Samoa car meet some love. Let's go.
All right, let's go. The Uso, he is doing the damn thing. Let's go, guys.
Hot Wheels
You know,
for
we had to
kids.
save it for the
And not
end.
just the kids.
Where do you
Hot
want to
Wheels
start?
for any enthusiast, diecast. If you love cars in real life, I bet you love these toy cars.
Where do you want to start, the front or the back?
Inner side.
Let's
We're gonna
start
start from the back there because I see a kid all in that corner, so we're gonna go straight to that kid over there.
Okay, let's go, Uso.
Let's go.
Let's go find these kids.
Come to the car meet, you don't know what car you like? Skyline, Honda, Toyota, Kia, Supra. 저 픽처 가가지고. Yeah. Muscle car or because you're the only kid here. Chad, they sell these for expensive here, Samundo. We get this for free. Come on, man. For the seats.
Cool.
Have a good one. Let's go. Got a good you pick 2 cars for your kids. Please, what are this? BMW.
It's Thank you.
Boys, you guys have any kids? No.
Would you guys like one?
Would you like a Hot Wheel?
Yeah, I'll get a. Is there a Skyline?
Old school Skyline. Oh, there's R35.
It's
You ain't gotta take that. Who's all I'm so excited. How many kids you have?
Many kids.
Yeah, we getting a workout. Hey, shout out to my cameraman. Yeah. Taking me a lot of work, man.
You're good. You keep doing the work. Let's go.
Say something about the kids already. Oh, this is an old Skyline.
It's a song I dedicate to the one and only Mary Jane. She always made me feel like
Oh, my Lord.
girl, you made my heart beat. Say my heart beats for your love, and it's got me feeling irate. Said I'm irate of your love, girl, you made my heart
The new Chevy truck. Pak zo tayo. Kamadali na lang mo magkabalik. There you can find show for your van. R7. It's more around here.
Cause it take me higher than to Zion up above. We let your light shine like it brighter than the sun. Feeling high, take it to the
Yeah, we in a workout today. And we're just giving out hot. Yeah, come on. Esse cara aí com o veio aí.
I know.
If I can't get up, I'll get one of these.
Girl, you made my heart beat. Said my heart beats for your love,
Do it. This is your boy.
Key. I'm gonna give this to Keith. Keith. I'm gonna go. Wait, hold on. Maybe you can drop my stuff off after.
Okay. Yep.
Something about you, baby.
Get some footage for him too.
Yeah.
Something about your sweet, sweet smile that day.
Yeah, this guy, he collects Hot Wheels.
Had me so easy.
My buddy, he collects Hot Wheels.
You really, really need a king in your life. Just say. Thank you. I see you every Tuesday afternoon.
Go out, you just appreciate it. Sorry, chat, yeah. We're here in Southwest Carby. Let's go. Sheesh.
I won't miss the chance to tell you how I chose to feel.
Sheesh, yeah, brother. Venga la Osamunda, man. Sheesh. This is crazy. Look at this man, bro. Oh, this man's styler. Look at that. Sickly Uso Car Crew. Shout out to you guys. Now Forester chat. Maybe this one over. Damn! You got one loss here. Nice. Oh, look at this one, bro. It looks like a drift car. Look at that bag. The hit by the two Suris. Nice, Zeus. Sheesh. Everyone's just pulling up to the car meet. 685 to the world. Let's go. Well, chat, today was crazy. Today's car meet was a successful turnout. Pretty awesome experience to come here at Zamunda and see the car scenery out here. Very different, but yet very awesome. It was fun. It was cool. Got to see a few kids. A lot of men acting like kids, which is also cool as well. Main thing is everyone came together, you know, had fun, fellowship, got together, meet one another. It was a good turnout. And yeah, and look, we still have plenty more Hot Wheels to give out. So tomorrow's gonna be our last day here in Zamunda. And then we fly out Friday somewhere like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But in the meantime, well, tomorrow I'm gonna, whatever kids we come across, yeah, we're gonna try to give the majority of our Hot Wheels away. So yeah, so if you are watching, please follow, otherwise you'll be missing out while we're here in Zamunda. So stay tuned, support, let's go. Appreciate you guys.